Hey there, I'm holding the new Apple iPhone XS. This is the update to the iPhone X. It looks a lot like it. This actually has the really gorgeous new gold finish. It's packed with new technology. There's a new CPU inside. There's new camera technology inside. There's new adjustable portrait mode after you take the picture. This guy is starting at $999. Behind me, by the way, is the iPhone XR. That starts at $749. And there's also the iPhone XS Max that is $1,099. That's over there. Huge crowd. Can't even touch it. Let's check out some of the cool features.
It's the new iPhone XS. Has the incredible new A12 Bionic and incredible new cameras as well. For example, you're able to take a portrait or a back camera photo and after the fact, edit the background blur. So if I zoom in here, you can actually see as I go down to f4.4, the lights start to blur. And as I go up to f16, you get that nice, shallow depth of field effect. The new Smart HDR functionality allows you to see both the details in your clothing here as well as the sky. You see the sky is not blown out. This looks like a photo, but it's actually a video shot on iPhone XS.
Oh my God, I can't believe I finally got my hands on the iPhone XS Max. This is the big guy, 6.5, so it's a big screen, big phone. It's got that gold back, not cheap, $1,099 to start. Hey, you can get these guys with up to 512 gigabytes of storage now. It's pretty cool. They're also doing some dual SIM stuff with their eSIM technology.
Games, of course, look incredible on this giant display. This is the new game we showed off on stage from Bethesda. You can see it's taking advantage of that big, beautiful screen, HDR, to show you this incredible detail in the light and the shadows. You'll see it's incredible distance.
I swear it's almost getting as big as the iPad mini. All right, I've got the 44mm Apple Watch Series 4 right here. This is a little bit thinner than my Apple Watch Series 3. It's got a new digital crown, new technology that is not quite enabled yet, but is already built in to take electrocardiogram and to check for AFib. So that's big heart rate monitoring stuff. Software is coming later this year.
It all starts with the display. It's over 30% bigger, and you can see that it's curved to match the beautiful design. The images here have up to 8 complications, and you can customize them any way you want. We've also improved our modular watch face. So here it's bright and it's beautiful, and we even have third-party complications. We have a new digital crown with haptic feedback, so it's got a beautiful mechanical feel when you scroll, high heart rate warning, low heart rate warning, and of course our ECG option is becoming greater.
Gorilla Glass now.
This is the most beautiful glass we have on a smartphone. The new glass.